everybody. Those were the points that I wanted to raise as well. But today is the day that I want to thank universe, and it is like God, God proposes, man proposes, and God disposes. Right? People were thinking about Arnab spending Diwali in the darkness. No, but the God's light has shone, and we are now walking towards the light. I was holding my breath. I was holding my mala. That was the time that we were holding our breath and the time we were holding our solidarity and, united. It was a moment of being united. And how beautifully the entire nation and the world and people in London, we held ourselves together and raised our voice and prayed so hard that the Mother of Universe heard our prayers. And thanks to the Supreme Court of India, who has actually restored my faith in judiciary. I am fighting for 8 years, and I have been telling how the Bombay High Court and the Bombay system works. But never mind, I will face it, and I will carry on with my fight. But I have to say that Arnab has given us a new sight, a new light, and we will celebrate Diwali with him. And in prayers, to thank everyone. I want to thank Advocate Salve and Harish Salve and the Justice of Supreme Court. That, my heart is overwhelmed with a lot of gratitude today. And this is the feeling I want to give and I want to share.
Yes.
And
I think you're speaking for all of us. Unfortunately, there are a few guests who are joining us a little late. I have limited time, so I'm sorry to have to interrupt you. MR Venkatesh is also joining us. MR?
Now, my message
you must be really happy today, and it is well deserved for all of us. But do you want to add something? I don't know how much of it you've heard of what we've been talking about, but you can express yourself. Take the next 30 seconds to just express yourself.
I am glad my friend Arnab is back. I'm so relieved. And as I predicted this morning, the Supreme Court rose to its full majesty. Justice has been done. And I think Arnab being back is that 9 p.m. has got its own meaning. Tomorrow or probably today, I look forward to Arnab coming back and anchoring one program. And from tomorrow onwards, I think 9 o'clock will be what it is, what we all knew all about. Thank you very much. I wish Arnab all the best.
Okay. Ratan Sharda wanted to come in. Ratan Sharda, I only have 30 seconds left, please.
I just wanted to, just 10 seconds. I want everybody to remember, while court was talking today about individual liberty and dignity, we had yesterday your AVP Ghanshyam taken out like a goon or a terrorist with a bag on his head, and he's in police custody. So liberty is still in danger. Please don't let your guard down, and all of us must be still, not be very sure how the state behaves, but I do still believe that the government will realize that Supreme Court's strictures have to be understood in spirit and letter, and we can also get other people out of jail.
Right. In fact, I think it won't be wrong for me to say that we know that this fight is not over, that it is a longer fight, and this is one big win, one battle that has been won today. It has come after a long time waiting and a lot of work. We are not expecting the war to be over. I'll just leave it at that. I do thank all of you for joining us. We leave you once again with Arnab Goswami's first words out of Taloja Jail.